Imagine waking up to the sound of waves and endless water stretching beyond the horizon. Welcome to the Maldives, a true paradise on Earth. This tropical escape offers overwater villas where you can dip into turquoise waters right from your doorstep. Craving adventure? Snorkel alongside vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Prefer relaxation? Experience private dinners on powdery white sand under starlit skies. Fun fact, the Maldives is 99% water, making it perfect for dreamy drone shots. Best time to visit, November to April, for sunny skies and calm seas. This destination is inclusive and welcoming for travelers seeking safety, luxury, and unforgettable views. So, pack your sunscreen and imagination. Your next great adventure awaits. Drop your dream destination in the comments and don't forget, subscribe to explore more hidden gems around the world. Your passport to adventure starts here.